I'm gonna show you my Ender Pearl mod showcase. If you want to download your mod, just check the description below. Okay, first, my snowball. I will kill some, but I will teleport. Teleported. I'm here, right? I'm gonna throw it there. Ano? Oh, and died. Okay. If you want to receive your snowball, just you need snow. Like this. First step, if you have too many items mo, just go in or send items. Then press the snowball. Full stack. Add now. What? Not working. I think it's not. It's a green flag. Okay. You see now. Wapow! This Ender Pearl this Ender Pearl mod is you cannot really craft it, but you can make an snow block, and you cannot put this in Ender portal frame. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.